Hello student, welcome to NVDI class 10 subject geography. Today's topic is the River Valley project. We have seen the many rivers flow in the different part of the country. You have seen the many are big and many tributaries river in India. Also, you have very well known like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal, Godavari, Narmada, Krishna, Mahanadi, and many other rivers flow in the different side of the country. So, today's topic is a river valley project. So we have seen some rivers are flow all the years. We have seen the northern rivers flow all the years. This river is called to perennial rivers, and some rivers are flow in the seasonal, like the southern rivers in Krishna, Narmada, Tapti, Godavari, Mahanadi also. So, we have seen some project are developed in these rivers. You have seen the big dam create on the rivers. This dam is called to the River Valley project, because when the government developed to dam in any rivers, multi purpose his aim, because the dam provide some facilities. So the many are advantage of the River Valley project. We have seen firstly the irrigation facilities. We have seen the rivers flow when the dam create many water stored behind the dam. So the small canals go in the different side and provide the facilities of irrigation. Second is a flood control. We have seen the many rivers flow all the years are seasonal, so the flood caves in many regions. So the government make the dam and control the flood in these regions also. Third, we generate the hydroelectricity. We have seen the many big dams like Bhagla Nagal, Rihan, Krishna, Nagarjun, Sardar Sarovar Dam. So the government create the hydroelectricity in this water. Also, so the government provide the electricity also in this project. Third is the navigation facilities. We have seen when the dam are created, the big quantity of water are covered the back side of the dam. So the navigation facilities, we have the government developed the tourist and the transport system behind the dam also. And we have seen the fishers. We have seen the dam when the water is stored, the fishing are available in this area. Show the fishing. And last is the drinking water. We have seen the water are stored behind the dam, and government provide the water to drinking water. Many are cities we have seen in the present time. गंगा रिवर जो आप देख रहे हैं नमामि गंगे करके, तो इस तरीके से प्रोवाइड द water, drinking water also. So I have sent you the model paper of geography. You have seen the assignment. Thank you.